Good morning, crew. How are y'all doing today? It's a new day. You know what it means when you see this rolls in this hair? It is wedding day today. Yes, because the wedding got pushed back because of the hurricane. So it's good. Well, last night we had such a good time. Boy, I'm telling you, they didn't hold me nothing last night. We danced with the bride all night. All of us tired and hungover today on the wedding day. But, you know, we're going to get it together. Definitely get it together. And they're still cleaning up, still trying to make it things happen. Yep, see, trees are still down. They're still working on that. Right, we rushing though, because breakfast finishes at 10 and we have like 10 minutes to get there. Hey, my crew. So it's wedding time. And we are dressed, ready, running late as usual, trying to get to the wedding on time. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing in a little bit, but it's gonna be a nice evening. Hey, my everything crew. So this is what I'm wearing today for the wedding. I hope you like the look. The look, I think it's great. Everybody loves it. And take a look at the shoes. So this is what I'm wearing today. Yes, my dear. You know, I'm Jamaican. Everything extra. You know, everything extra. But that's how it goes. I'm a Jamaica. Nothing give you confidence like coming home to Jamaica. Because everybody, yes, my girl, you look good. And you have no problem till I see you look good. I'm good for the confidence. But I'm going to pick you up back later. We're going to run over here to this wedding. Hey, my everything crew. Yes, I'm still here trying to wait our turn to get in before the wedding starts. She said it was at 3:30, but I know she did that on purpose for me because I'm always late. But guess what? I was on time today and I'm so happy. I made it before everybody else. For the first time, I never late. You know, we always late. But this time I made it on time and I'm happy. So happy for them today. And we are just wishing them many, many, many more years of marital bliss. And if we can come through a hurricane to get this done, they got this. See how the man them look dapper? Them ready for the wedding. Looking pretty like
we out the comments, we out the nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up. Shit is not a contest. With the best concept, heaven said, God says. This is what my mom says. Vision of progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Walking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Having fun, yeah. I'm on a classic, they come around.
Yes, girl. So pretty.
I didn't
tired. We can't wait to do these activities tomorrow, but it's going great. Let me show you.
My friends, yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Ain't from the floor, but I love me a Christian. They on my dinner, shit my secret. Trying to dish no blow about people. I can't respond with just do what you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shit won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I feel the prescription. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears, and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill, when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chilling, but I send the hit while I chill.
Check out my
Tell me, fellas, have you seen us? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll see oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the floor was ours. You say you don't really care.
Yes, ma'am. So for all the guys who are rehearsing their marriage arrangement, you need to get out there too. So all who's not married, you get out there too. Come in. Come in. 1, 2, 3. I need everybody on the dance floor now. 2.
Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say oh.
Hey y'all, hey everything crew. No side. We having a good damn time when I got up there.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby. I think I'll say oh. Excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh baby.
60 flip. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you gon' feel my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5.
Hit it in the shop, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a pie trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Gotta ask again. Then she got it tripping off of nothing yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. froze on my emotions, then I rush and let her in.
So we changed. We just left the wedding reception, and we are changed to meet the bride and groom by the bar. So that's what we're about. We're gonna see what's going on down there. Have a few drinks, since we only have one more day to go. And the Hurricane Beryl put a damper in all the plans we had. But guess what? We're okay, alive and well. All right, catch you later. See, we're doing shots by the bar. We're doing the shots to new friends, new fun. We're gonna get it done. We're doing shots, baby.
Come on. That's right.
Come on,
That's you.
get the shots.
That's you.
Come on, girl.
Yeah.
Let's get the shots.
Give me, man.
New friends, new family, money, all them things there, like this year, more and more money.
You need more drinks?
We ain't give her one more.
Look how calm it looks this morning. It's still hot, just looks cloudy. This is what we're seeing today. Yes. Hey, good morning, my everything crew. We're just getting up. I had all hopes that I was getting up extra early today to go to the beach. I'm just getting up. We tired, but we trying to make breakfast. How y'all doing today? You have a full day ahead of you? I do. I'm gonna try to do something. It's hot but cloudy today, but we're gonna make it happen. Do something. We have corned beef, brown stew chicken, dumpling, fried breadfruit, and callaloo. Let me eat both sides, but it's already can't do it. Oh, I had banana, to green banana. Hey, my crew, how y'all doing again? So we decided to go on a glass bottom boat tour. So we're gonna see what happens there, and it's gonna go over the coral reef so we can see some beautiful fish and coral. And that's the plan for today. It's hot now, it's no longer gloomy, so we're here for it. So we're at the gift shop. This is what the gift shop looks like. Everything is here, everything Jamaican. And we're going on this boat, ride the boat, this Jamaican color. So I came, I got a wrap real quick to fit in with the theme. Let's go.
Get ready to get on this glass bottom boat. Try to see if I can go snorkeling and catch me a monster lobster.
Here we are, babies. Getting ready to go on that boat. Let's go, let's have fun. That's the vibe, that's the vibe, that's the vibe. Yes, yes. Look, oh, them striped, them pretty, the yellow and black. Look at those fishes, they are so cute.
They call them Sergeant Major.
Oh, Sergeant Major fish. Chilling. Yes, we just came up to the island, and it's like a lobster island. Let me show you what they got. They got all this going on. We came off the boat, and we bought some souvenirs, and now we're getting lobster. Yes, he's grilling us some lobster, child. Let me show you what it look like. It's looking good, looking good. Let me show you. See, that's what the lobster look like on the grill.
Well, you know, mix up mine with them two, the other two. You got them? Okay.
That's
all right.
what it looks like on the grill. We're having grilled lobster for me, my baby. Yes, it's gonna be grilled. It's gonna be great. They also have a bar, and you can order like jerk chicken, authentic Jamaican stuff. But we used to Jamaican stuff. We just want some seafood, and that's how it goes. This is post-hurricane outing. See, we're here on the island. That's all the boats out there. See, that's what we're doing. See, it's all a vibe. Catch a vibe, crew. Catch a vibes. It's a baby.
I love Jamaica.
Yes, me too. The land of my birth. You know what I'm saying? And we know it's still hot, cause every hot girl at Jamaica. You understand? They make you feel good, personality nice, and that's how we are working.
Thank you for coming out to Celebrations? Here, here.
This is a fresh lobster. Look at that. Fry bread fruit, lobster, and fries. Yeah, we are catch a vibe and we're going to do a round of shots. And we're good with that. Yeah, man. Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. You just need money at Jamaica, but it's nice. Yes, and you want to come when there's no hurricane. Don't come hurricane season.
Thank you, sir.
Otherwise, I'm that good. So say, you find a plate, you know, if it was good enough. That's a good and fresh. All a vibe. Everybody here, we chilling, drinking. They grilling the lobsters. Hey, Kiki, I see you, girl. Hey. Hey, my crew. See my crew. See my crew. See my crew. Jamaica nice, you know. Jamaica nice, nice, bad. All you need at Jamaica is some money. Not like Jamaica. Build your confidence. The people cool. They're nice. We get it done down here, baby. So come on through. This is the gift shop. Over here, I should have waited and got my stuff from here instead of at the hotel because it was at least $40 cheaper. But you know what, I wanted my thing for the back at the hotel. We are by the pool. We're just gonna have a few drinks before we get dressed for the all-white tonight. Yes. We vibing this out. You hear me? It's our last day here. We try to make the best of it. It's about time, right? We've been here a whole week. And we're just really getting started to enjoy ourselves. We're getting ourselves ready again to go back to the hotel. We're gonna enjoy it over there a little bit, the sea, and then we're gonna go to the pool. Because you know, always past 6 o'clock, we're gonna be late, but we're gonna make it. I know you ain't talking to me. White-skinned. I know the man with the red hair and the freckles, them now talk about nobody. Eh?
That American Indian you have in you.
You see him still? The man with the blonde hair and the freckles. I talk about my white skin. Did you hear him? No, I'm white skin, baby love. Yeah, we're having a good time though. Oh, it's so, but it's hot. I should have brought my fan. I'm telling you, for real though, I can't believe Allah left that. Yes, it's hot as hot. In the shade is hot, okay? So we're dressed and ready to go to my girlfriend's. They're having an all-white post-wedding thank you party. So we're dressed in all white, as you can see. We're rocking it, ready to go, ready to party. Let's go.
Operating the subject magic. Show him how to operating and let him take the picture.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Let's see how it go without it all white. Friend them, my friend them look nice. Let's see how them look good, them look clean.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven said, God said. At least that's what my mom says, proof is up.
You know how it goes. Yes. Oh, now we're at the bar. I had to plait my hair. Boy, it is hot. No matter how we outside, this got a different kind of heat, baby. We are hot. And the mosquitoes, and I forgot to spray before I came outside. Yeah, but we're gonna make it work. We're here having a good time.
Progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Walking up. Wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, my everything crew. It's our last morning before we leave. We had high hopes to get up, go swim, and all that good stuff, but we had a time last night. So it took us a while to get up. But we are leaving today. I'm glad to be going home. Although it was fun at the end. You know what we've been through on this trip, but we still enjoyed ourselves the last couple of nights. It's our last day, but look how sunny and gorgeous that is. Yes, 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 yes. That left, look on that breadfruit, rundown, banana dumpling. Me I took you man to get a medallion. I was a flip my plate of food like me can't eat all that food. I know some me can't eat. Hey y'all, as I said, it's our last beach day today. Look at that water. It's so pretty. So we out here hanging out a little bit. I'm going it, but it's cool today, see? Because the sun not shine too hot. So if we wait till afternoon when it get warm, but guess what? We don't have that kind of time because we left the bus up at 11:45. So, catch you in the back here. Hey y'all. So we're dressed in the brush, came from the beach and trying to get there so we can check out. They're supposed to pick us up at 11:45. So we trying to rush. Mama pick you back up as soon as I get to the airport. It's time to go. We're about to board the bus for the airport. It's been a trying but rewarding trip. Didn't get to see my family. That's the only thing that breaks my heart. But guess what? We're going home. I'll catch you later. We're gonna try to find some food. We tried to get into the Club Mobile, but we didn't get in. I don't know what was going on, I guess. Depends on the time and all that. But there are places upstairs. We're gonna go get some food for our last few days here. Let's go. I'm at the airport. This unfortunately brings an end to our trip to Jamaica. We had bad times and good times, but we had a time. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.